prep first. And get some lovely red onions. Do 2 little onions. Oh, jeez. I like my onions a little chunky because when you cook them, they shrink. There we go. Clean as you go. Clean as you go, it just makes life easier. Plus, I can't work in a dirty workspace. That's a big bowl. I've got, let's see, 8 ounces, so 16 ounces of mild cheddar and 8 ounces of mozzarella. And I strongly suggest investing in a cheese grater like this because buying shredded cheese, like pre-shredded, it comes with like, I don't know if it's like flour. You probably notice it's like powdered and stuff and it melts weird. It's just better to shred your own cheese. I love cheese. Mozzarella. And the second mild cheddar. Oh, gotta jam. It jams sometimes. You can't go nuts on it. You gotta do it a little bit at a time, pull it out. I just get way too excited about cheese. Ooh, it's a big piece of cheese in there. Big piece of cheese. Gary's. Kind boy. What about cheese? Oh, you want cheese too, kitty? Okay. You get that one. Here you go. Yum. You licked my finger. Now I gotta change my gloves. Dump it all in. Mix it up. You know what? I'm done. I'm just gonna eat this bowl of cheese. No. All right. Clean up. Jalapenos! Usually I like to make my own, but I haven't had time. Sometimes you just have to buy the store-bought, but here's the video of how I make my own jalapenos. My own pickled jalapenos, I should say. These are big sliced jalapenos. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm glad I didn't dump the whole thing in there. Delicious cream cheese. This is 8 ounce, so 16 ounces of cream cheese. Oh my God. Putting it in this microwave safe bowl so that we can microwave it, soften it up. So we gotta mix it up with this cheese, which, that reminds me, I gotta save like a couple handfuls of this cheese. Probably about that much. Not that much, just to put on top. Once the casserole's all done, sprinkle that cheese on top. All right, continuing with the cream cheese. You ever seen a cream cheese box opened less efficiently than this? It's ridiculous. Like a child opening up a Christmas present. go. I'm not licking the package, you're licking the package. All that can be set aside. Fancy super non-stick pan, I love this thing. Let's throw these onions in here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Chicken time. I've got 1.9 pounds of chicken tenderloins. Now what I like to do with the tenderloins is, especially with this recipe, is just use shears. First thing I do with each one is just kind of feel it. Sometimes you'll run into like a bone. Make sure there aren't any bones in it. Just gonna chop it into little chunks. Little chunky poos. Honestly, since I'm chopping them up, it doesn't need to be a chicken tenderloins. All you need is just 2 pounds of chicken. I'm working on a stir fry recipe, a chicken stir fry. The only thing is something's not right with it. Like it's coming out good, but it's not coming out the way I want it to. So I'm still working on that, and that's gonna be a future video sometime. I don't know when. I'm gonna try to perfect that stir fry recipe and post it when it's good. Okie dokie. We're done with that chicken. This glove off. The contaminated glove. Now, I'll move the operation. These onions going. The lighting good? Yeah, it's good. It's good. Putting some olive oil. Some lovely, lovely olive oil. We're going to, how do you say, saute. Meow. This is one of my favorite smells in the kitchen. Just plain old onions being grilled. It smells so dang old good. Why don't they have that as a candle? You know, sauteed onions, have that as a candle scent. Oh, and another thing with the onions is if you keep them in the fridge, chances of them making you cry go down significantly. I thought of that because right now I feel it in my eyes. It's gonna be an experimental video because with all the sizzling, I don't know. Move this. I don't know. I gotta stop talking when I'm moving stuff. I don't know if my voice will pick up or if the sizzling is drowning it out. No, I dropped an onion. Bring that down a little bit. Chicken time. I got the temperature down to medium. I'm gonna add some stuff. I'm gonna add some soy sauce. And lime juice. Bring that heat back up to just under high. Between medium and high, and I'm gonna cook this chicken all the way through. While that is warming up, I'm gonna take, remember our cream cheese? I'm gonna put this in the microwave for a couple minutes. Look at it go, look at it go. Oh, cream cheese, it pops. It pops. Oh yeah, look, hey, nice and loose. Nice and loose, easy to mix. Just gotta chop that up over here. Move this around a little bit. It's looking good. Almost done. So that cream cheese, it's all goopy now. It's all goopy. I'm gonna put it in that bowl with the other cheese and jalapenos. There we go, chicken. I'm getting the biggest piece I can find and just chopping it, making sure it's cooked all the way through. That's getting chopped up very nicely. Now another thing, I'm gonna get that bowl that I use for the cream cheese. All right, got the cream cheese in this bowl. All the chicken finishes up. I'm gonna get some yummy butter. Or, you know, the fake butter, whatever. I don't know the difference. I get this kind because regular butter, it comes like, you know, in a stick and there's paper and all that crap all around it. It's super annoying. I honestly don't taste the difference. So I just use country spread, home style, you know, the I can't believe it's not butter stuff. And it works just fine, so. A nice healthy helping of that. Gonna put this in the microwave. All right. Let's mix up all this cheese, cream cheese, shredded cheese, jalapenos. Add some garlic powder. And good old-fashioned regular pepper. Okay, our chicken is done. Oh, that pepper is gonna make me sneeze. Oh my God, it gets me every time. Put the chicken. Let me get this in the middle of the camera. My camera game is weak, man. Here we go. Oh yeah. Hot chicken will help melt the cheese a little bit. Set the oven for 375. I should have done that like 5 minutes ago. Oh well. Let's mix this baby up. Golly, like it's ready to eat like right now. But we're gonna make it fancy. We're putting it in a casserole dish. Another thing that would be a good substitute, like if you didn't want to cook the chicken, do everything exactly like this, but instead of chicken, use tuna. All right, casserole dish. Thought about using the chicken stock, but nah, it's fine. I was gonna use it to thin it out if it was too thick, but it's good. It's a nice goopy mess. Yeah. Honestly, could have used a smaller casserole dish, but oh well. Yeah, this is actually better. Just lay it all out thin, cook in the oven faster. There we go. Okay. Now that cheese we held back this little bit. Just gonna sprinkle this on top. I say little bit, it's 8 ounces. All right. Ow. Bag of chicharrones. I like the spicy kind of chicharrones. You can get whatever you want though. Pop the bag open because you're gonna crush it all. So we're gonna try one. Uh-huh. There we go. Mmm. Porky rinds. Big one, don't mind if I do. Oh, it's magical. Hey, Iman, what are you doing with that big bowl of butter? Let me show you. See your melted butter. Ooh! Can you hear it? The chicharrones are crackling. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna throw it in the oven for probably 30 minutes. While I'm doing that, I'm going to, oh my God, hiccups. I'm gonna clean up. Clean up time. Oh yeah, look at my green onions or chives or whatever you wanna call them. Oven just finished preheating. Yeah, look at these guys. I'm gonna make a short, it's probably gonna be out by now, but they grew so long and I cut them up yesterday. That bright green, it just grew like about a day. They grow so fast. So never have to buy these things again. It's awesome. It's done. Plug all this stuff back in. Turn all the lights on. Oh yeah. Look at that. I just want to eat it right now, but no, the fact that it's bubbling along the edges, got a little crisp on top, it's done. Now we just got to sit here and wait. I'm gonna sit here and stare at it until it's done. No, I'm not gonna do that. But golly, let me get this camera closer. Oh, it's gonna be so buttery. Oh my God. We'll be back after it cools down. Okay, I'm getting a bowl. Just said I'm getting a bowl. I'm getting a plate. Ooh! Wowee. Ooh, crispy on top, gooey on the inside. See that? Yup. It's time to eat. Wow, for real, like, the more you cook the same thing, it gets better every time you do it because you learn how to tweak the ingredients. This is amazing. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you make this and I hope you like it. Just do me a favor, like and subscribe. And also I've got another channel where I do gaming and stuff called Bamboo Trauma. Yeah, again, thank you for watching. You have a good one. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna grab a pen, it's looking kinda bland. Chop, chop, sizzle, make it taste great.